What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As a lot of you know, myself and 3D artists from around the world get together twice a year to level up through these big 3D community challenges. It's our chance to apply all the cool tricks and techniques that we've learned throughout the year and show off our art in a set of inspiring montages built by you guys in this 3D community. And I'm here to let you know that the time has come to boot your computers, gather your assets, and challenge yourself through the month of August, because I am proud to announce the all-new kineticrush 3D Community Challenge, where I challenge you, whether you're new to 3D or not, to put your unique spin on this provided template. And this time, we want you to pick between a handful of 5 unique character animations to build your unique story from. Or if you want to go hard mode, you can animate your own move as long as it fits within the provided run cycle. Because on September 28th, I'm compiling everyone's hard work into a seamless community montage launching September 21st. And for the artists who really shine through, I'm making a very special top 100 montage complete with an original soundtrack timed to your individual renders, launching on September 14th. We made these rules as simple as we could. To qualify for the render montages, all you gotta do is the following. 1, your submission must follow this provided template. 2nd, you must use one of the provided animations, or like I said, you can create your own as long as it fits within the run cycle. 3rd, we're only accepting 1 submission per 1 artist. That means no team submissions or multiple submissions from the same artist. Your render must follow these tech specs on the screen. 5th, full generative AI submissions will not be accepted for obvious reasons. And finally, you must submit no later than September 1st, 11:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Anything else is fair game and up to you to bring the world you envision to life. Now, if you follow these rules and make banging art through the month, you have a chance to rank among the top 100, of course, and beyond to the top 5. Now, choosing these top 5 artists is one of the hardest decisions of the year for me, which is why I like to bring in some guest judges to help lighten the load. And this time, my good friends Sam and Nico from Corridor Digital are gonna join me for the Judgment Day livestream on September 6th here on the channel to reveal the top 100 artists, dish out some fun constructive feedback, and crown 5 artists as our challenge champions. If all of that isn't reason enough to dive in, I convinced a bunch of my favorite companies to give you their software for free during the month of August. We're talking full programs, no trial versions, all right? So let's start by welcoming Marvelous Designer to the community challenges. Marvelous Designer is the industry standard for designing and simulating custom 3D clothes, and used by some of the top studios responsible for games like Elden Ring, Ghost of Tsushima, and Death Stranding, just to name a few of my personal favorites. The Marvelous Designer workflow is unique because it lets you design digital clothes like fashion designers would design real clothes, which you can apply to your animated characters for quick simulation. Now, of course, you can sim other stuff like ramen or animal plushies, even fish, and they even have an online store with tons of assets to get you started if you'd prefer that route. Marvelous Designer is unlocked for all kineticrush artists this month, and they even compiled a playlist of Marvelous Designer tutorials to get you started. I've got it linked in both the description and on our brand new challenge website in the Get Started section. More on that later. Next, we partnered with FOXRENDER to help you cloud render your 3D scenes when it's time to submit. Because we know a lot of y'all don't have insane workstations at home. I get it. FOXRENDER is giving all challenge artists $50 worth of render time this month, and an extra $50 if you make a new FOXRENDER account, totaling $100 of remote render support just for kineticrush. Now, it doesn't matter what software or render engine you're using, because whether it's Blender with Cycles or Eevee, Cinema 4D with Redshift or Octane, or even rendering with Unreal, FOXRENDER has just about every DCC render engine combo covered. The interface is pretty straightforward to use. You upload your scene files, the relevant plugins, and you'll be rendering shots in the fraction of the time it would take on your home machine. So grab those render hours through the link in the description or over on our dedicated landing page. The good people from Django FX are back again, but this time they want you to master the elements. As of today, their brand new Elemental Suite is free for everyone through the month of August, and it comes with the long anticipated Liquid Gen for real-time liquid effects, their new and improved GeoGen for real-time terrain generation, and of course Ember Gen for those real-time pyrotechnic simulations. The Django FX team has been hard at work on this epic short film to showcase what the Elemental Suite can really do. So if you want to get inspired, check out the full short film and the live stream breakdown that they put together. Everything is linked down below. And last but certainly not least, Kit Bash is doing something they've never done before and unlocking Cargo Personal for free for all artists this month. That means you get your choice at any 10 assets for free from their entire library. If you've never heard of Kit Bash 3D, they offer high quality world building kits in just about every genre you could imagine, from ancient Japan to future slums, high fantasy villages, and war-torn megacities. They've even been adding interiors and cars now for easy access through any 3D program that you guys are using. So definitely get on this while you can by clicking that link in the description or on our brand new 3D Challenge webpage right up here. It's got the starter files, it's got the rules, it's got the prizes, the whole content schedule, and all the free tools, programs, and tutorials to help you on your creative journey this month. I'm really proud of it. I want to shout out Folio on our Discord server for doing an incredible job building the site, as well as Visual for helping not only build the template files, but making all the sweet custom art, logos, and teaser trailers that you guys may have seen up until this point. We're still using the Discord server as our community hub, where you can get feedback on your art and answers to your technical issues from a passionate community of 3D artists. The Discord is free, of course, and this challenge, I promise you, will only be more exciting alongside other artists. So come on over and join us. I'll see you guys there. Schedule-wise, we got a lot planned for this challenge. So I made a public Google Calendar that y'all can add to your side of things by clicking the link below. Most notably would be the kickoff live stream that's happening right after this video. So come on and hang out. We'll get you started together. But y'all, we hadn't even touched on this prize pool, because I'm not gonna lie, this is the biggest prize pool yet, with the most free for the month and top 100 prizes we've ever had, not counting all the top 5 prizes. Let's start with the top 100 prizes. Starting with CG Pro, they're giving all top 100 artists access to their Intro to Unreal Engine course. If you don't know, CG Pro is the premier online CG school for both film and game artists, and it's ran by the husband and wife duo Ed Dawson-Taylor and Jackie Cooper, who were both VFX titans for 20 plus years on titles like Jurassic World, Harry Potter, Iron Man 3, and The Lion King. They've gathered their industry friends to walk you through Houdini, Blender, Unreal Engine for both games, and film through live personalized multi-month courses. CG Pro also runs a group called the Inner Circle, made from a handful of industry professionals that meet for private, bi-monthly masterclasses, weekly seminars, and more to keep each other on top of the latest industry tools and techniques. CG Pro also wants to offer all the artists here $400 off toward any course on their site. You can use the code pwnisher at checkout. All that stuff linked down below. Next up is Kaft, the Turkish design brand. They're back yet again to give all the top 100 artists their pick at one t-shirt from their online store. But that's not it. They're doing something really special for this one and selecting one lucky top 100 artist to win $1,000 and a custom t-shirt designed from their top 100 render, which will be available Q1 or 2 of 2025. The Kaft brand is made for artists by artists. Their designs are super slick and their quality is some of the best in the world. Marvelous Designer is throwing all top 100 artists a 2-month license to their sweet software for all of your cloth design and simulation needs, as well as 15 Connect bucks toward their online marketplace. And as a bonus, Marvelous Designer is issuing a sub-challenge. They're giving $300 to the one artist who uses Marvelous Designer in the coolest way. They're gonna write a whole feature spot on you, they'll do an interview and everything. So shout outs to Marvelous Designer for going the extra mile here. Kit Bash 3D is back and they're giving every top 100 artist one prop kit of their choice between city streets, high-tech streets, highways, secret labs, or spaceships. And FOXRENDER Farm is closing it out with 100 FOXRENDER bucks into the back pocket of all the top 100 artists for all of their cloud rendering needs. Already, that's a whole bunch of good stuff. We got free stuff, we got top 100 stuff, but what if you blow past top 100 and somehow find yourself in the 5th place spot? I've been trying to find a mechanical keyboard prize for like 3 challenges now because I use them every single day. They're fully customizable, they're fun to build, they're great to use, and my God, do they sound so nice. So I'm happy to announce that Candy Keys is throwing in to hook you up with a customizable mechanical Neo keyboard, and they're gonna let you choose the size of your choice between a 65%, 70%, or 80% build. These are super high quality weighted boards, and I can't wait for you to get your hands on one. Candy Keys is the ultimate mechanical keyboard emporium, offering a huge selection of mechanical boards, switches, keycaps, desk mats, and accessories, and is also giving the top 100 a 20% off coupon code to anything on their sites. Shout outs to Candy Keys, good to have y'all. Now, XP Pen is back for their second challenge this year, and they're giving the 5th place artist their very own Deco Pro Gen 2 drawing tablet. I've been using tablets for about 9 years now, for everything from 3D art to browsing the web, because it's just better for your long-term wrist health. So I'm really glad that XP Pen is back and dishing them out. They're also letting you choose the tablet size that works best for your setup. Rococo, our longest standing challenge sponsor, is holding it down and giving the 5th place artist a year of Rococo Plus, which most notably gives you access to Rococo's suitless motion capture solution, Rococo Vision. It makes use of 2 cameras for the best data capture. Rococo Plus also lets you retarget characters super easily and allows for mocap streaming straight into Rococo Studio. And they also want to offer everyone here 5% off anything on their site by using the code pwnisher5. So head on over, check them out. Kitbash 3D is doing something a little different for the top 5 this time. They're giving the 5th place artist their choice between either 1 year of Cargo Personal or 1 free Kitbash 3D kit. The difference here is that Cargo Personal lets you choose 10 assets of your choice every single month, as long as your subscription is current, but you're able to keep the free kit forever. At the end of the day, it's up to you. FOXRENDER Farm is given 5th place $500 toward any cloud rendering for your future projects. 5th place is also getting permanent access to the Jenga Effects Elemental Suite, plus a year of maintenance from their team. Caft is throwing you $250 this time toward any of the sweatshirts, pants, socks, hats, bags, and more on their site. Marvelous Designer is slipping in a 1-year license, as well as 50 Connect bucks for their online marketplace. 4th place is literally getting everything from 5th, but with 2 little upgrades. Instead of $500 from FOXRENDER Farm, you're getting $600, and Kitbash 3D is giving you 2 kits of your choice or that year-long subscription to Cargo Personal. 3rd place is getting upgraded even further with a full CG Pro course of their choosing, redeemable for up to 1 year. They have beginner and advanced Unreal Engine courses launching this month for both US and European time zones, a 1-day virtual production workshop, and an Unreal for Filmmakers generalist course that launches in September, with more to be announced soon. CG Pro is also giving you a 1-year membership to their Inner Circle, your direct source for bi-monthly masterclasses, weekly seminars, and direct industry contacts. Rococo is sweetening the deal with your choice between their iOS-based head rig or their new Android-based head cam, which comes with a mounted lightweight 60 frames per second camera, and it even has a little dimmable light too for nighttime capture. Both are used to make facial capture a breeze as opposed to hand animating dialogue scenes. And of course, they're giving you that year-long Rococo Plus subscription. XP Pen is upgrading 3rd place to their Artist Pro 14-inch Gen 2 HD color accurate drawing display. It comes with their X remote for efficient control over your display, a pen and pen case with multiple tips, a built-in foldable stand, and a display that boasts 16,000 levels of pen pressure accuracy. FOXRENDER Farm is upping you to a whopping $700 worth of cloud rendering credits. Kitbash 3D is giving you your choice of 3 kits or that year-long subscription to Cargo Personal. Candy Keys is hooking you up with that customizable mechanical Neo keyboard, size of choice. Marvelous Designer's giving you the year-long license and 50 Connect credits. You're getting the lifetime Jenga Effects Elemental Suite license, and Caft is throwing you $250 toward anything on their site. Whew! This is a prize marathon, my goodness. 2nd place is getting a very, very fun piece of tech from HTC. They're loading you up with their new Vive XR Elite virtual reality headset, which offers you the highest fidelity, untethered VR gaming experience. And you can actually swap out the battery pack and turn them into glasses for a full color AR experience as well. The Vive XR Elite ships with a 3840 by 1920 combined resolution and a crisp and immersive audio experience. And to make things sweeter, they're also throwing in their deluxe accessory pack, which includes a plushier face gasket, a gasket for mixed reality, and a more robust strap. They're also sending you 5 of their trackers for a total of 8-point full body VR tracking. That means your hands, your feet, your elbows, knees, hips, and head are all accurately mapped in virtual reality to make gaming and VR chat more accurate than ever. And to top it off, HTC is hooking you up with their face tracker to capture your eyes and mouth during VR chat. It's good to have HTC back for another challenge. Rokoko is back, as always, to outfit you with a pair of their smart gloves for hand and finger tracking, which really rounds out the performance capture process. You're also getting your choice between their head rig or head cam for facial capture, and you're getting that year-long subscription to Rokoko Plus for suitless motion capture and more. XP Pen is upgrading you from their 14-inch HD drawing display to their Artist Pro 16-inch Gen 2 drawing display, outfitted with a higher resolution screen and all the sweet mods like the X Remote, pen accessories, and more. You're getting $800 toward the FOXRENDER farm, your choice of 4 Kitbash 3D kits or your year of Cargo Personal, a full CG Pro course, plus a year of the Inner Circle, the year-long subscription to Marvelous Designer, plus $50 toward their asset marketplace, the $250 CAFT gift card, the lifetime Jenga Effects Elemental Suite, plus the year of maintenance, and a mechanical Neo keyboard from Candy Keys. Finally, we have made it to first place. If all the planets align, you're getting a whole freaking performance capture bundle from Rokoko, which by this point, y'all know, comes with their Smart Suit Pro 2 for high fidelity body capture, smart gloves for hand and finger tracking, and your choice between the head rig or the new head cam for facial capture. You're also getting their brand new Coil Pro. And if you don't know, the Coil Pro is a physical box that you place in the middle of your capture area that acts as a ground truth for your suit, resulting in the highest fidelity performance capture results. And of course, you're getting that Rokoko Pro year-long subscription as well. XP Pen is also giving you their grand prize, the Artist Pro 24-inch 2.5K resolution drawing display, complete with all the bells and whistles. CG Pro is giving you not 1, but 2 courses of your choice, plus a lifetime membership to the Inner Circle. FOXRENDER Farm is maxing you out with $1,000 toward their cloud rendering service. Kitbash 3D is giving you your choice of 5 kits or that year-long subscription to Cargo Personal. Marvelous Designer is giving you that free year plus $50 toward their asset marketplace. CAFT is hooking you up with that $250 gift card. You're getting the permanent Elemental Suite from Jenga Effects plus the year of maintenance, and Candy Keys is rounding it all out with that customizable mechanical Neo keyboard. A huge thank you to our sponsors for putting their money where their mouth is. Go to the kineticrush landing page, download the starter files, and hop in on this live stream with me. It's live right now. I'll get you started. I'll answer your questions, dish out all my personal tips and tricks for these challenges for y'all, and we'll get inspired to create together. Challenge accepted? Challenge accepted. See y'all there. Peace. Woo!